Hello traders, today is the 4th of April 2024 and let me share with you how I analyze market today and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. I still continue my testing with the QBN broker guys. Amazing profit today, just trading only probably half an hour. Bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we enjoyed trading today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Just before that, I would like to show you, you can see here today with the QBN broker trading live alongside with my other trader. Made a $622 just trading only probably half an hour, and most of my trades was Euro USD and Pound Dollar, and all these trades been explained to all of my traders and most of them bank amazing profit. But if you look at here all my trades, you can see here, bank amazing profit, $25,000 of account traded this Monday, and still test is going amazing, no problem, execution perfectly fine. Today made a 622, yesterday made a 700 something. So you can see here that was the trade, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. Even you can see one of my traders banked 43 pips just trading few hours, and you can see that was the one of the trade which is I've also taken. That was a beautiful pullback. You can see here price nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. All right, so let's talk about the Euro USD in more detail. And if you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour chart, as explained to my trader this morning, we have this impulsive, and if the price develop correction, then I'm expecting one more push. You can see here price nicely develop a consolidation, which is the correction, and beautiful long trade here. And if you look at my intraday analysis, entries and exit this afternoon, we have the news for the dollar. Job opening, that was a negative for the dollar, and that's basically pushed the euro a bit further. You can see here this morning that was a trade. As you can see, I've already banked amazing profit through QBN broker. You can see a beautiful breakout and long pullback. And at the New York session, that was a pretty straightforward. The news was bad for the dollar and pretty straightforward. As explained material, look for this breakout. Even after the breakout, price nicely develop a retest. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain material, it's time to enjoy some profit, bank amazing profit. All right, so pound dollar, we also had a beautiful trade this morning. And if you look at here, pound dollar in, you can see here I also had 3 trades of pound dollar in QBN broker, bank amazing profit. So based on, if you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what I explained my trader. We have impulsive, and you can see here the price refused to break this level. So we were expecting here another, because after the impulsive, if the price developed this correction, expecting another one push. Beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit. And let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Beautiful trade this morning, guys. You can see that was the pretty straightforward, beautiful based on this analysis. Be a breakout, price nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. After banking profit, we also had a counter short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful counter short trade. At the New York session, you can see here, as explained, just that was the analysis just before the news. You can see just before the 10 minutes. As you can see here, price at the news was bad for the dollar, pretty straightforward, price broken. After the breakout, price retest as mentioned based on the analysis. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, as explained, my trader bank some profit, and let's see the market reaction. Afterwards, price developed double top here, price nicely broke on this level. As mentioned here, beautiful counter short trade as soon as the price hit to the target. That's what I explained my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. All right, so dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we haven't seen any big volatility today, but we managed very decent profit. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had this breakout trade, bank few PPs, and afterwards we were waiting for the news. News was bad. You can see a price came down. I said let's wait for that, and if you can see here, price refused to break the previous low. That give us a significant information of counter opportunity which we had it. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market in intraday and help my trader to squeeze very decent profit on euro dollar CAD. So that was a pretty straightforward based on the analysis as mentioned in the 4-hour. Beautiful breakout. Of the breakout, we were expecting possibility of continuation, but the price hit to the first target which we experimented tightening a stop loss. And let's wait for the news. And at the news, you can see here price nicely reverse. We were expecting continuation, but as explained, we are being a price action trader. As soon as the price reverse impulsively, based on the 4 hour, and that's what I explained. If the price gonna break this level, short, otherwise long here. So you can see here price nicely broken even after the breakout, price retest, and beautiful long trade, make amazing profit. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, guys. As you have seen that we bank amazing profit today on even trading just few hours a day, and you can see here $622, and all these traders been broadcasted through the platform and help other traders to squeeze amazing profit. But if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. If you are still struggling for trading, this is a platform where we train people with the live market in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, and we also provide funding through QBN broker, and help you to make a very good profit every single day. So more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.